Hi, I'm Prasiddhi Tripathi and welcome to Teachment. If you are planning to purchase an interactive flat panel for your schools, institutions, colleges, or even just for conferencing, it is important to understand that different panels come with different levels of performance. So let us quickly look at how you can make the right choice while choosing your interactive flat panel. A processor performs based on three different factors. These include number of cores that come with that particular processor, the chip that is used in that processor, and the clock speed of that processor, which ensures higher overall performance. The most common mistake that people make when purchasing an interactive flat panel is focusing only on the fact that it is an octa-core processor. Today, I will give you a quick comparison of the most common octa-core processors available in the industry, RK3576 and V100. And we will see how their performance compares. While both of these are octa-core processors, the major difference comes with the chipset that is provided with each. The RK3576 gives you a combination of two different chipsets, the A72 and the A53 chipsets, whereas the V100 gives you only 8 cores with the A55 Cortex chipset. Another difference comes with the clock speed of both processors. The A72 cores have a clock speed of 2.21 GHz and the A53 cores have a clock speed of 2.02 GHz. Whereas for the V100, the A55 chipset provides each core with only 1.2 GHz. Let us do a quick test which can be evaluated using an application called Geekbench. The process to test the Geekbench score is simple. You can download the Geekbench app from the Play Store. Once downloaded and installed, you can simply click on Start Test. You can see that the progress of completing the test on the RK3576 is much higher compared to the V100 chipset. This is because the performance of the V100 chipset is lower than that of RK3576. Also, as the RK3576 completes the test, the single core output is 349 and the multi-core output is 1207. Now the test is almost complete for the V100 and the results are out. We can see that the numbers are clear. For the V100, the single core output is much lower at 130 and multi-core output is 504. It is clearly visible that the RK3576 has almost triple the performance of the V100. We have now seen the performance of both processors on paper as well as in real-world tests. The RK3576 clearly outperforms V100 by a huge margin. This means that apps open instantly and performance stays smooth with the RK3576 processor, while other processors like V100 respond more slowly. Another important point, the RK3576 used in Teachment-X also includes a dedicated neural processing unit. NPU is a special AI engine that accelerates tasks such as image processing, handwriting recognition, autofocus tracking, and all AI-powered classroom features. This means you're not just getting a faster processor, but also a much smoother AI experience inside the classroom. In fact, we have a TOPS score of 6, which is 2 times higher than other AI-powered flat panels. Now it is clear which processor and which panel delivers better speed, stability, and AI performance. Looking forward to seeing more classrooms powered by Teachment-X. Thank you.